How to make coffee with the Francis espresso maker. The first thing, you check that there's enough water in the water tank in the back here. So you fill this up. And then you switch on the left side to heat it up. Meanwhile, we're doing some nice ground coffee. I use fresh beans. You can buy any beans of your choice into the grinder. Take 3 measuring cups, fill it into the grinder, close the top of the grinder, and so you grind until you can't hear the grinding sound anymore, until all the beans are through. So now it's through. Take this off. You give it a few taps because the coffee is static, and then you unscrew the bottom. And this is where we have freshly ground coffee. If you do 2 cups, we use the smaller insert. For large cups, we have the bigger insert. I tend to use the small insert. And you take the measuring spoon, and you basically want two spoons in here. So the second spoon in here. You distribute it so that there are no lumps, that it's nice and evenly distributed in there. And then on the Francis, we've got this insert and this handle. You lock this into place and you tap it down. Make sure it's all nice and horizontal. Tap it down, you turn it a little bit, and then you take the top handle off. This stays in there. You insert it into the machine. You see we've reached a nice temperature, just below 100 in Celsius. Take a cup, put the cup under the machine, and this is our extraction switch. Switch it on, and see a lovely espresso coming out of the machine. Depending how large you want your cup. Turn it off. I tend to replace it. And here is your lovely espresso.